Hello everyone, my name is Nathalie Vermeulen. I'm a professor in B-Phot, and when I look back at the year 2023, I think it has been a very productive year for our research team focusing on nonlinear optics. We have obtained very nice breakthroughs in terms of nonlinear optical dynamics of VCSEL lasers. We have obtained nice progress in terms of studying the nonlinear optical properties of two-dimensional materials like graphene. We have also been able to fabricate special waveguides using two-photon polymerization technique for nonlinear optical applications. But if I would have to choose one specific highlight, then I would probably choose the nonlinear optical data table that was published this year. This is a data table specifically for nonlinear optical materials, and it's a data table that focuses on the recent developments in nonlinear optical materials over the past 2 decades. So if you would like to learn more about nonlinear optics and recently developed materials in that area, feel free to have a look. It's a big paper with 22 co-authors from all over the world, and you will find it in the Journal of Photonics.